Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover the move face command in direct editing tool. This is a really powerful tool because it's gonna save you a lot of time, because this is a direct feature editing. This is not the one like if you have a part and you have to go back into the tree and then you need to modify all of your features and things like that. And even in some external parts, if you have some external parts and you don't have any tree for those parts, so you can't modify. But this direct modification or this direct move face is really handy in such kind of situation. Suppose I have a body here, so let's go into the SolidWorks and let's see how it works. So I have a example body here, and I'm gonna go into the direct editing tool, and into the ribbon section here is move or face command. Okay, so in the move and face command, like we have three different options. The first one is translate, offset, and then rotate. So let's translate this. So for the translation, you just need to select a face, whatever face you want to translate, and then suppose I want to translate it till 0.3. Okay, and then I can just click the green check mark. Look, it is translated from that height till this height, but there is a problem here. As you can see, the chamfer is also gonna move from that point till here, and it is increased. So what I can do is I can go back into the feature and then I can edit the feature. And then when I'm gonna select my first face, then I can hold the control on my keyboard, and then I can select these chamfers as well, as you can see, and then I'm gonna click the green check mark. So in this way, although it is translated, but the chamfers are really fine as we want them before. Okay, so this was the translation, and let's go back and let's edit it again. Okay, so what if I want to have an offset? So what I can do is I can just have an offset on any value for the chamfers or for the holes or whatever I want to operate. So the next cool feature is rotate. So I'm gonna go into the rotate, and you can see, like, if you want to hold any side and you want to rotate it wherever you want, suppose I want to rotate it like here, you can just rotate this wheel, or manually you can enter the degree how much you want to rotate, and then you can just click the green check mark. Look, it is rotated. So you are not going to modify the basic part, and you are not going to go into the tree and modify all the holes and the angles of the degree and everything. You are just going to playing with the final feature. And then the next thing is, like, if you don't like this, or if you are doing this as a temporary, so you can suppress it or unsuppress it anytime. So as you can go into the feature and you can see a tiny hand, so you can move it. So in this way you can just suppress it, or if you want to unsuppress it, you can go back and bring it back. So this is a really powerful tool, I would say, in such kind of situation when you don't want to modify your features and you want something for the temporary, as it happens a lot of time when you want to have a 3D print and sometimes the holes are not accurate or anything. So what you can do is you can just use direct editing feature, and you can just increase the diameter of the circles or holes, and then you can just create your STL file, and then you can just suppress this feature and save the original file. So this is a really handy in such type of situations, or in the situation when you don't have a tree and you still want to modify your part. So this was all about move face in direct editing tool. So you can just modify your feature without changing the original features, and this is gonna save you a lot of time. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.